क्वेश्चन नंबर 447 447 श्री पुट्टा महेश कुमार। माननीय मंत्री जी।
सदन माननीय अध्यक्ष जी, उत्तर सदन के पटल पर रखा गया है।
Sir, the government has achieved the completion of 6,450 kilometers of track renewal. However, in the state of Andhra Pradesh, the Bhadrachalam and Kovur railway line, sanctioned in 2012-13 with estimated cost of 2,155 crores, remains pending, sir. The project internally proposed under the unusual Andhra Pradesh remains crucial for the state of economic development post-bifurcation. This project is completed would significantly reduce the travel distance between Visakhapatnam and Hyderabad by 150 kilometers and also ensure rail connectivity to as many as 200 tribals and remote agency villages. I would like to ask Minister, will the government consider taking the necessary steps to execute the construction and connect Bhadrachalam and Kovur railway line?
Speaker sir, Bhadrachalam, Sattupalli, Kovuru, this is the railway line which Honorable MP has mentioned in this question. This is a 119-kilometer new line project. This was sanctioned at 50% cost sharing with the state government. The total project cost was about 2,155 crore. Out of this, Bhadrachalam, Sattupalli, which is 56 kilometer, that has been completed in May 2022, and the balance portion, the work is going on. I'll follow up with the state government to expedite it.
Sir, total 4,300 overbridges, ROBs under the road under bridges, RUBs, have been sanctioned across India railways. This includes 284 such projects in Andhra Pradesh, sanctioned at the cost of 9,450 crores, which is currently at various stages and planning and execution. Given their significance, I would like to ask Honorable Minister, will the government take necessary steps to sanction 5 to 6 ROBs in Yelloor to facilitate the timely execution of the ROBs and RUBs? Thank you, sir.
Honorable Speaker, sir, I have taken note of the ROB's demand which Honorable MP has made. I would also like to point out that Andhra Pradesh budget allocation has increased significantly in the last few years. This used to be just about 8,000. The budget for combined Telangana and Andhra Pradesh during the UPA government used to be just about 886 crore. That has now increased to 9,417 crore just for the state of Andhra Pradesh alone. And this will really help in improving the railway connectivity in Andhra. And I would also like to mention, Honorable Speaker Madam, that the work pace has also increased significantly. In the 10 years, 2014 to 2024, in Andhra Pradesh alone, the total length of tracks completed is 1,510 kilometers, which is more than double the pace during the UPA period, which was just about 72 kilometers per year. Now that has become 151 kilometers per year. Overall, Honorable Speaker Madam, I would like to mention that Honorable Prime Minister has put huge focus on developing the railway network in Andhra Pradesh, and that's why the South Coast Railway was also sanctioned, and Honorable Prime Minister has already laid the foundation of it. So many new initiatives have been taken, including the connectivity to Amravati. So, in a sense, this is the time when Andhra Pradesh railway connectivity will significantly improve.